Hello everyone, and welcome to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today guys, I'm going to be just giving you a quick tutorial on how you guys can make money playing Fortnite. Now, Fortnite is a very popular game at the moment. It's a little less popular than it has been in the past, just because that's the life cycle of every game, but it's still popular and it's still like the most popular game at the moment, just because it's free to play and you can play it on all platforms. So basically, there's a huge player base right now. It's probably the biggest player base, I think, on any game ever in history. It's crazy. And that makes it perfect for making money using this game, using the popularity of it, because it's getting the most views, most traction, most views on YouTube, most views on Twitch, stuff like that. And obviously, you go wherever the views are in order to make money when it comes to entertainment online and making money online. So guys, long story short, best way to make money using Fortnite is to create some sort of social media around Fortnite. This can be a Twitter, Facebook, but the two you want to mainly focus on, and what most people focus on when making money on Fortnite, is YouTube and Twitch. Twitch is great for live streaming. YouTube is great for uploading single games of you winning Fortnite. That's usually what Ninja and Tfue do to maximize their revenue, and honestly, you can just copy their plan and their strategies to make money because they're obviously succeeding. And the best way to make money is just do the same methods other people are doing, if it's working, obviously. So what they do is they've gained a large following on Twitch. Obviously, that's not going to be easy at first, but if you put the time and energy in, you can succeed. I don't have a big following on Twitch, but I just stream every once in a while. Just to have fun. And by the way, guys, in the background, I'm playing on PC, so don't judge me. I'm not very good at Fortnite on PC. Better on console. So, after a while, once you gain a couple followers, and you start growing a solid fan base who support you and watch a lot of your videos and stuff, and you start growing on YouTube, getting a lot of views there, this is when it's time to make the most money. Because once you have that solid viewership, guys, when you have a solid viewership on any social media, that can equate to money so easily. There's so many ways to maximize your revenue when you have a large audience or viewership in that case. So once you have that large viewership, you've gained some traction, gaining some views on YouTube and Twitch, getting a consistent people watching your live streams. And obviously that's not easy. I'm not saying that's easy. You have to put in the time to do that. There's no secret sauce to gain followers on Twitch and YouTube. You just have to put in the time. That's what I did, and it will pay off eventually. So just be patient when it comes to gaining followers. Just try to upload the best content you can. Obviously, you're not going to be able to upload like Tfue level content, Ninja level content at first, but eventually you will get the hang of it. You'll gain like a system when creating content, and it'll just be muscle memory from there. So guys, number one way to make money using Fortnite is the Fortnite affiliate program that they have. It's easy to sign up for. It's free to sign up for. I think you just have to have a account with, I'm not sure at the moment how many followers it is. I forget off the top of my head. I can put it on screen if I forget it. So once you sign up for this program and get accepted, they'll basically give you a creator code, a Fortnite supported creator code. It's usually just your display name. It's usually really simple like that. Take this code, you tell people, go use it in the item shop. Whenever they make a purchase, you will gain a commission off that purchase. They'll give you a percentage of it. So if they go in and buy like any skins or whatever, pickaxe or some new skin, you'll earn a commission. So basically, with that large following, you take your supported creator code, you slap it on your social media, promote it in literally every single video. Say, hey, go support me by using my supported creator code. Just put it in the item shop, type it in when you make a purchase, and it helps out the channel. If you guys are wondering, my supported creator code is Scoot4321. I'm not usually pushing that heavily anymore just because I'm not like playing Fortnite that much anymore, but if you guys want to go use it, doesn't matter to me. I don't care. So guys, use that supported creator code, pump out, like try to show as many people as possible about it. Tell people about it, tell your friends about it, tell everyone to go use your code because you will earn money using this. It's absolutely free to sign up for this. You don't need anything up front, no cost. This is great passive income if you're looking to make like a couple bucks here and there. Obviously, it's going to be small at first, but if you gain a huge following like Ninja and Tfue, and as you can see, they put out their supported creator code all the time because they know it makes a ton of money when so many people are using it, so many people are playing this game. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something useful on how to make money playing Fortnite. You can do this on console, PC, Xbox, doesn't matter what platform you play on. Just be good at the game, have a good personality, and you will gain an audience. Use that code and make money. It's that easy. This requires no money up front. All you have to do is have some way to get on the internet and play Fortnite. That's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below any questions you have. Subscribe to the channel. Go use my Fortnite supporter code. Go check out my affiliate links down below if you want to help support the channel even more. Leave me video suggestions. I'm always open to video suggestions. Also, guys, if you want to go check out my podcast, they'll be linked below as well too. Check out my merch store, all that good stuff, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.